The second Animation is Film Festival in Los Angeles will open with the North American premiere of Mamoru Hosodas Mirai on October 19, part of a 4-film retrospective of the director's work at the event, which also unveiled some of its competition films Wednesday. The Fest, produced by Gkids in partnership with Annecy International Animation Film Festival, runs October 19 to 21 at the TCL Chinese Theatre in Hollywood.
Mirai, written and directed by Hosoda hailing from Japan's studio Chizu, is being released theatrically by Gkids on November 30 in both the original Japanese and an English-dubbed version after it premiered this year in the Director's Fortnight section at the Cannes Film Festival. Hosoda will attend the festival. The fest will feature more than 30 animated feature films from Asia, Europe, South America, and North America, with juried and audience prizes. Also on tap, special footage from Disney's Ralph Breaks the Internet and Sony's Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Here is the competition lineup. Another Day of Life, USA premiere Poland/Spainers, Raúl de la Fuente, Damien and Buñuel in The Labyrinth of the Turtles, world premiere Spain Dear, Salvador Simo Funan Belgium/France/Cambodia, North American premiere Dear, Dennis Do I Want to Eat Your Pancreas, North American premiere Japan Dear, Shinichiro Ushijima Mirai, opening night film, North American premiere, Japan Dear, Mamoru Hosodas INN, North American premiere Japan Dear, Kitaro Kosaka Pachamama, world premiere Argentina/France Dear, Wanantine Penguin Highway, Los Angeles premiere Japan Dear, Hiroyasu Ishida Ruben Brandt, Collector Hungary Dear, Milorad Krstić Satyr Masochism, Los Angeles premiere USA Dear, Nina Paley Tito and the Birds, USA premiere Brazilders, Gabriel Bitter, Andre Katoto, Gustavo Steinberg.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.